It's just a little tiny bit, hardly any difference, but just slightly browner.
More browner. I
you
like
see
that.
It,
I like.
right
Yes, I do see
you
it.
See
I like that better. Yes.
Yes. So
let's do that. I like this side.
Okay. Okay.
You know what I mean? I like that round. I
Yes.
like the overall shape. I just want to get rid of the point.
Yes, I see it. Okay.
You know, like on this side, it kind of did it take. I mean, now see, I kind of looked at those.
I see, and I see a little bit of a scar there too. I'm gonna go ahead and take. So the scar probably made it harder to take.
That was a cat bite.
A cat bite
My
too?
cat did that to me.
So dog and cat.
Trauma. Trauma, girl.
Maybe you kissed them too much.
My mom says the same thing. Stop putting them in your
Stop
face.
kissing them.
I'm like, I can't hold it. They're so cute.
Okay. That's what that one is. Yes. Just remember that it was hard for me to work on it because the numbing wasn't really penetrating very well, and it's a very sensitive area for you. So I'm hoping that we've got it drawn out. We know what we want, but we need to like get the pigment in there.
That looks really good, Jen.
Okay, this is not easy at all, but it is so satisfying. I love the challenge. So the first thing that we want to make sure of is that we make her as comfortable as possible with this topical anesthesia, just letting it process as long as it needs to, at least 20 minutes. And the good news is that that scar tissue is probably softer because we have worked needles through it already. So now the defining of the vermilion is our primary concern before we start doing anything else. So we want to work on that shape and clean it up. This is a very messy color, by the way, so just be patient and stop everything. Take a look at what we've done, and oh no, there it is still. It's that little peak that we're trying to get rid of. We want to make that a little bit more round, and also the other scar. Anyways, okay, let's keep going. We can do this. And just work on it to the best of our abilities. And once we are satisfied with the shape of the definition of the lips, then we can proceed and blend that color, that line, into the lips for an ombre effect. Now we're just doing a final numbing before we hear what her opinion is.
I like how you ombre it more onto the lip.
Yes.
It looks really good.